Hi, my name is Anantha Devi from Hyderabad. I have done my PGDM in marketing specialization. I don't wanted to travel much. In digital marketing, in one location I can sit and do. That was the main reason. And second is there was so much scope. Every business is into online. They want to promote business in online. So there is no end for this digital marketing. There is so much scope. That was the second reason why I have chosen digital marketing as my career. When I was searching for which institute would be better, so I was researching about it, and one of my brother's friend has suggested Digital Vidya. The journey was very awesome. In the beginning, I was very confused and I was having less confidence, but now my confidence level is more. Even the internships were very helpful. During the internships, it was the internship was group work. So I met many wonderful folks with whom I was working. So it was like even for networking also, this Digital Vidya platform worked for me. I got to meet many wonderful people. Then the special classes like AI in marketing, that session was also very interesting. So the journey was wonderful for me.